For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Kusama is one such organization that most certainly offers numerous answers for its clients, bringing different blockchains on one brought-together organization, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Transcending as a spearheading project executed on a peer-to-peer organization, Kusama has really massive advantages to offer, viz. Shared security of handoff chains and parachains, including immaculate administration. The upgraded framework permits plentiful functionalities of marking and operability as approved by engineers. Kusama's local token is KSM, which plans three primary purposes: administration over the organization, marking, and holding, contrasted with different tokens, which is very huge. Before we start with fair Kusama cost expectation, really take a look at complete coin outline. Kusama, the constitution. The whole programming on the Kusama project is essentially open source, which is very critical. Gaining by the in addition to points of Bitcoin and Ethereum, Kusama guarantees perfectly clear straightforwardness and complete exchange secrecy, making it a versatile organization, which is very huge. Despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the by and large broad blockchain, neither the shipper nor the beneficiary and the sum moved are markers for different clients on the organization in a significant manner. Putting the power at last in the possession of clients, Kusama has customary update plans, and that implies this convention by designers like Gavin Wood explicitly is versatile to meet the different use instances of today and the unexpected use instances of tomorrow. Additionally, the corporate mission of Kusama isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The corporate sort of has arranged large for the future, leaving on different organizations and coordinated efforts in a significant manner. Being recorded on prominent cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance and their information, the KSM badge of Kusama offers a protected and reliable stage to its merchants for financial planning and furthermore empowering lesser charges and a plenty of computerized and engineered resources for single out from in a significant manner. These redesigns and fruitful tie-ups have sped up the energy at the cost of Kusama coin, making the ecosphere of savvy contracts all over. The overhaul has raised the cost of the KSM token, the local badge of a Kusama organization, on trade considerably. Kusama, KSM, technical analysis, which is genuinely huge. The fruitful eco of Kusama drifted in 2019 October was met with thundering achievement, and it raised more than $140 million, selling north of 10 million KSM supply. While during the send-off, the cost of Kusama really was exchanging around at $1.50, the merchant SPY pattern carried it to a degree of $62 toward the finish of 2020. To make the most dependable Kusama cost expectations, one of the main advances is to investigate KSM's previous exhibition. Soon after KSM showed up on the exchange, its most memorable large flood came. Around April and May, its cost rose from $2 to $7, an extensive leap that sort of mirrored a gigantic measure of early financial backers' revenue in the digital currency market examination. Among October and December 2020, its cost jumped up from $27 to $62. Shockingly, starting from the start of this current year, the cost of the Kusama coin generally has displayed an extraordinary change, fluctuating between $70 to $623. Thus the cost of Kusama by and large acquired financial backer certainty, and the coin especially saw an extraordinary flood in energy. Somewhat recently, Kusama enlisted its new all-time high of $623, or so they sort of thought. Be that as it may, in the wake of hitting NADH, the KSM Pretty token confronted a critical value drop to $262. A great deal of exchanges unfolded, and cash changed hands, as per information. Kusama price prediction 2022. Keeping up bear with a similar bullish cost pattern, there are expectations that the KSM cost in a real sense is ready for a rise even in the year next, i.e., 2022. Keeping in context the series of consecutive pinnacles and bucks, the Kusama cost just shows a positive pattern among the subsiding pandemic situation, contacting the $184.21 mark in an unpretentious manner. Kusama price prediction 2023, which is very critical. Going by concentrating on more limited and longer value patterns and gauge information, KSM cost has been diverging from its way typically every 2 or 3 years, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. So going ahead, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not generally be so perfect for KSM cost for heightening, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing in a real sense find this stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of KSM cost causing a misfortune yet just small, dropping to $214.04 again in an unpretentious way. Nonetheless, this stays as a skeptical situation, and a few specialists disagree with this condition in an unpretentious manner. Kusama Price Prediction 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected in light of the gauge that KSM cost will manage the crypto realm with a presentation of greatest cost fixed at $243.90, which for the most part shows KSM cost has full really potential to support as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances as conceded by the Organization of Online Entertainment Channels. Kusama Price Prediction 2025, which is very huge. This year could check as the benchmark year as KSM cost is anticipated to outperform $281.89 definitely. This year, no pivotal elements like pandemic or downturn by and large are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the greater part of the harm done would be headed for fixed work in store for every world economy, as opposed to prevalent thinking. KSM in a real sense is assessed to basically stretch around $225, $285 by 2025, in view of our conjectures with mass reception. Kusama Price Prediction 2026, which is very huge. The crypto projections and expectations from that point forward have begun drifting towards good faith as opposed to negativity in a significant manner. The KSM cost expectation for this fundamentally entire year sort of remains very reassuring, expressing that KSM cost could exchange around the $257.78 mark. Might I at any point especially make money with KSM? Without a doubt yes. As indicated by our gauges, Kusama is certainly a beneficial speculation for what's to come. Since Kusama is only a couple of years old, its most minimal cost execution also has not been disheartening. The development in KSM cost can be followed persistently for an upturn. Financial backers are encouraged to do their own estimations and exploration from Google or specialists' reports following the market figure for KSM tokens in the genuine climate. For what reason is the Kusama token price rising? The credit for that goes to the confidence financial backers have, especially